Let's hear it for Corey and the Illuminator! break it.
Scores come down on Corey and Eliminator. He left a tremendous amount of that 2 minutes on the clock. Time score 3. Momentum 4. You subtract 4. Wow Factor 4. Score 15 points for Eliminator. The 27 points of Rob Roy still leading the Monster Truck Freestyle competition.
I think we'll drive mine. I'm out of here.
Score for Kamikaze. He nearly filled the 2-minute time. Score of 9. Momentum is 4. You subtract 7. Wow Factor's 4. Score 24 points. So Kamikaze is currently second on the leaderboard. Uproar and John Zimmer still leading with a score lead of 27. Blew the tire off of the lead on that 66-inch tall front tire. You can also see that there was some champagne damage on the outer third member. So he'll try to whip that thing out of the way without doing any more damage. The big puff of white that we saw, that had to have been only the calcium chloride that they put inside the tire to help keep it from rotting. Freestyle competition. Scores coming up for blockhead. Score needed to be better than 32. Blockhead score. Use of time 10. Momentum 6. Use of track 9. Wow factor 4. Score 29 points. Your freestyle winner, John Corner and Bad Company. Monster truck drivers.
Oh yeah, making the run up here. Looking like we have for you this year. Get on that side there. How did you get Bad Company so bad tonight? What made it special?
You know what, man? It's a joint effort. I couldn't do it without all the people in the back. I got Matt involved in that, man. He's been side by side for like 6 years doing this monster truck thing. And he sacrificed so much to be on the road for me. He come put on a show for all you fans. His girlfriend, she's over there selling her merch. My girlfriend, my parents are over there hanging out, having a good time with us. But you know what? We keep doing this and we do it for the fans. Good Lord bless us all in the United States where it's free and we can come out here. And you know what, man? We're here to put on a show. That's what we did tonight. Honestly, it's not the freestyle I wanted to put on. I was watching the truck issues out there, but we made the best of it. We put on a show for the Charlotte fans. Charlotte, did you guys have a good time?
How about it for Bad Company, your freestyle winner here at the Cookout Monster Bash. Max Reed's going to be presenting you this trophy. The handshake there, the photographers jump out of the way. And thank all of you for coming out here to America's home for racing at the dirt track at Charlotte Motor Speedway for the Cookout Monster Truck Bash. We can't wait to have you over at events at Charlotte Motor Speedmax Dragway all throughout the remainder of the year, all the way through Speedway Christmas. Have a very safe night. Take care of each other going home, and we'll see you back here at the one and only House Motor Speedway. Good night.